This is the Build Behind the Brand, the podcast where creativity meets craftsmanship. Join Breakthrough Productions as we dive into the making of trade shows, pop-ups, and experiences that leave lasting impressions. Because behind every brand is a breakthrough waiting to happen.
Transforming commercial spaces through spatial design and build. In today's world, commercial environments are more than functional spaces. They're branded experiences. Whether it's a healthcare office, retail location, or customer-facing headquarters, how a space looks and feels impacts how people engage, how long they stay, and what they remember. At Breakthrough Productions, we specialize in spatial design and build services that go beyond traditional construction. Our team brings a unique blend of experiential design thinking and disciplined commercial execution, shaped by our experience building over 300 healthcare offices and producing hundreds of events in branded environments. The result? Spaces that work as hard as they wow. Designing space that moves people. Spatial design is the art of shaping the way people interact with and move through physical environments. It's about more than walls, lighting, and furnishings. It's about designing an experience from the ground up. With roots in theater and event production, our team at Breakthrough understands how to craft environments that guide attention, influence behavior, and reinforce brand identity. Our background allows us to approach commercial spaces with an experiential mindset, one that values storytelling, emotional connection, and flow. Whether you're looking to create a warm, welcoming healthcare clinic or an energetic showroom that captures your brand essence, our spatial design process starts with one question. How do you want people to feel when they walk through this space? Where design meets precision build. One of the most common frustrations designers and contractors face is the gap between vision and execution. Great concepts can get watered down when handed off to builders who don't understand or respect the design intent. That's where we come in. At Breakthrough Productions, we live in the space where design and build overlap. Our team bridges the creative and construction worlds, making sure that what's drawn on paper is what gets built in real life. We specialize in turning complex concepts into physical environments with accuracy, beauty, and attention to detail. We know what's buildable, how to build it, and how to bring the design to life without compromise. Designers trust us to honor their vision. Contractors trust us to deliver on time, on budget, and with an eye for quality. It's this dual fluency that sets us apart. 300-plus healthcare offices. One foundational standard: excellence. Over the past decade, we've completed more than 300 healthcare office builds across the U.S. These projects have trained us to work under pressure, manage multiple trades, and meet stringent compliance standards, from ADA regulations to fire and safety codes. But what's most valuable about this experience isn't just our understanding of healthcare, it's our discipline and systems. We've developed a reliable process for coordinating vendors, navigating inspections, and delivering consistent, polished results across different regions and teams. This process now benefits every spatial build we take on. Whether you're building a boutique retail space or a multi-room clinic, you can count on our team to bring the same level of precision, accountability, and care. Experiential DNA built into every square foot. What truly separates Breakthrough Productions from other commercial build partners is our deep background in experiential events. We've brought to life high-impact brand activations, custom trade show booths, pop-ups, and interactive displays for major names in tech, spirits, fashion, and more. This background helps us bring an emotional and sensory layer into our spatial design projects. We know how to shape mood through materials, colors, and lighting. We understand how customers move, where they linger, and what visual cues prompt action. We build environments that don't just function, they engage. Bringing experiential into commercial spaces doesn't mean turning them into theme parks. It means elevating them. It means using space as a storytelling tool. And that's what we do best. Your secret weapon for experiential commercial environments. Designers and contractors choose Breakthrough because we make the process easier, smoother, and smarter. We're not a middleman. We don't outsource your project. We build what we quote, and we stay hands-on from start to finish. Our ability to translate creative ideas into budget-conscious builds means you get the best of both worlds: bold design with realistic execution. We're especially valuable when projects have unique fabrication needs, custom displays, branded signage, or high-end finishes. Our fabrication shop can handle it all, and we know how to bring these elements together in a cohesive, buildable plan. Whether you're the designer envisioning a striking branded feature or the GC needing to hit a tight timeline, we've got your back. Built-in value engineering without compromise. One of our core strengths is value engineering that doesn't dilute your design. We know how to maintain the soul of your concept while finding smarter ways to build it. This might mean material substitutions that reduce cost without losing aesthetics, modular construction that saves on labor, or prefab components that cut install time. Our team is constantly thinking about how to make your project more efficient without losing its integrity. When you work with Breakthrough, you get a partner who understands the balance between vision and viability, collaboration that reduces risk and elevates results. From kickoff to closeout, we work collaboratively with designers, architects, and contractors to ensure the project flows smoothly. We don't just show up on install day. We get involved early to offer insight, catch potential issues, and help you avoid delays or rework. By bringing us in during the design or pre-construction phase, you gain a proactive partner who can spot material conflicts, recommend more efficient building methods, and provide fabrication input that protects your timeline and budget. Our team is known for being easy to work with, communicative, and detail-obsessed. We take pride in reducing your stress while making you and your project look amazing. Ready to build something that stands out? If you're a designer or contractor looking to create a commercial space that feels different, one that's built with purpose, personality, and precision, we'd love to talk. At Breakthrough Productions, we don't just build environments, we build experiences. Let's create something unforgettable together. Thanks for tuning in. If you're feeling inspired and ready to bring your vision to life, we'd love to help. Whether you're an agency or a company looking to create a standout physical activation, our team is here, excited and ready to make it happen. Head over to our website, breakthroughproductions.com, to explore what we can do, or give us a call. We're always up for a chat about your ideas and how we can collaborate to bring them to life. We can't wait to hear what you're working on. Let's create something amazing together.